My name's Tyrone. Yeah, I do. Oh. Yeah, I feel it. I just felt the brake a little bit too. Yes, sir. Dang. Dang. That's honestly pretty cool. Thank you. Yeah, I do. Dang. And I'm happy for that. Yeah. I really want to actually drive one of these, but when I become a famous rapper, I want to buy one of these so that way if I go to the mall or anywhere, I could actually just pull up in a fire truck. Yeah, 100%. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I love it. And I can really feel it. Oh, you should. Yeah. Oh, you know what's really funny? My school bus actually has something like this, but like we don't have seatbelts on our school bus. So whenever we're doing it, like it basically, like no joke, it makes us fly out of our seats. Yeah. This is awesome. Wow. I wish I had a freestyle. I'll figure out something when we get back to the station because I really want to show you how skilled I am. Yeah, actually I do post on that sometimes. It's Lil T Music and Trucks. So you'll probably see this on my truck channel as well. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Dang. Oh. Dang. Oh. I want to ride in that sometime too. Dang. Wow. So where's it at? Oh, sweet. Oh, I love the sound of it. Yeah. Oh, that is. Oh, that is awesome. Dang. Yeah, I saw it. Oh gosh. That's honestly kind of crazy. Yeah. I live at 2-3. Uh, yeah, I live with my family. Yeah, I'm happy for that. Yeah, because I see all these tents over here, and I yeah, and I feel like I'm lucky. I mean, I might have disagreements with my parents sometimes, but disagreements are disagreements. By the end of the day, we're like family all over again. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Wow. I agree, it is. Damn. That's awesome. Yeah, I want to be the one that drives it back sometime as well. Yeah. Yeah, so I have 30. Yeah, I have a little bit. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, it's awesome. Oh shoot, my friend lives over there. Yeah. Dang. That's honestly crazy. I have around, I'd say solid 30, if not, yeah. Yeah, you can. So it's, no, it isn't. It's Lil T, Music and Trucks. Lil. Yeah. And then, yeah, good question. Yeah. At least. Nah. And gaming. I mean music and trucks. Yeah, and you'll see all kinds of fun stuff on there, like yeah. Oh, it's capital, yeah, capital Lil. I think it's space capital T. Yeah, music and trucks, and I should have I think so. Yeah, it probably is. Oh, also another way you could bring it up is look up my graduation party. It'll. That's not the right one. Huh. It might. Yeah, I will. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh gosh. That's honestly pretty crazy. Yeah. It's fun. Oh, that would be fun. Yeah, I understand. Yeah. Oh. So, oh wow. Yeah, I understand. Yeah, I've fainted a few times in the mall before. Luckily, I recovered from it pretty fast. I think it was a lot of people that I surprised me for liking my music and poetry, and yeah, and then also lack of water I think could have caused it as well, and then like just getting caught by surprise. So yeah, it lasted maybe around 50 seconds, maybe 20. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that is awesome. Yeah. Yeah, I did. And board as well. The board's brakes feel like kind of like this, maybe a little bit more grippier. Yeah, that slows down. It's inside the bearings. I'll show you when I get to the station. Yeah, I do. Oh, yeah, I like that. Yeah. Dang. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Careful.
Oh. You like that?